Good morning, children. Children, in the previous video, we had done till sum number 5 of brain teasers capacity chapter, and today we would be moving further and we'll start with sum number 6 of brain teasers only. Okay, so we have completed till sum number 5. Today we will be doing sum number 6 and after that 7, 8 and 9. So 6 and 7 number is again problem sums based on chapter length, weight and capacity. I have explained you earlier also that brain teasers of capacity chapter contains the questions from all the 3 chapters: length, weight as well as capacity. Okay, so let us begin with sum number 6. Riya bought 5 kg of almonds. रिया ने 5 किलो almonds खरीदे. She gave 800 gram to her maid and 1 kg 300 gram to her neighbor. जितने आलमंड्स रिया ने खरीदे थे, आलमंड्स आप सब जानते हैं ना, बादाम आप सब खाते होंगे, सुबह में मम्मी देती होंगी आप सबको. सो रिया ने 5 kg आलमंड्स खरीदे थे. उसमें से रिया ने क्या किए, 800 ग्राम्स आलमंड्स अपने मेड को दे दिए. She gave 800 gram almonds to her maid. Maid means the servant, the female servant who worked at her house. And 1 kg 300 gram to her neighbor. और इसी almond में से 5 kg में से ही उसने 1 kg 300 gram almond अपने neighbor को दिए. How much almonds are left with Riya? रिया के पास अब कितने almonds बच गए थे, उसकी क्वांटिटी आपको बतानी है. Now first what you have to do is, आपको पता है कि वो कितना अपने मेड को दी है और कितना अपने नेबर को दी है. So first you add both of them. आप इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि टोटल उसके कितने आलमंड्स खर्च हो चुके हैं. इफ़ यू ऐड द आलमंड दैट शी हैज़ गिवन टू हर मेड एंड देन द आलमंड दैट शी हैज़ गिवन टू हर नेबर, you will get to know that how many almonds or what quantity of almonds she has already given out. जब आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि उसमें से कितने आलमंड्स उसने दे दिए हैं, तब रिमेनिंग आलमंड्स आपको कैसे मिल जाएंगे. उसके टोटल आलमंड्स में से जो उसने खर्च कर चुके हैं उसे माइनस कर देना है. यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द quantity of almonds that she has already given to her maid and neighbor. You subtract that quantity from the total quantity. Then you will get the remaining almonds. Okay? Now before that, as we have always been doing, first you will write today's date, right? Classwork, as we always do. Then brain teasers on the top. And then write down question number 6. First we will write the question. So I am writing the question now. Riya bought 5 kg of almonds. She gave 800 gram to her maid 1 kg 300 gram to her neighbor. How much almonds are left with Ria? This is the question. So we will write the first statement. First we will write down how much quantity C has given. So the first statement would be, जैसा मैंने आपको समझाया था, पहले हम वो लिखेंगे कि कितने क्वांटिटी उसने आलमंड्स मेड और नेबर को दिए हैं. क्वांटिटी ऑफ आलमंड्स गिवन to her maid. This is 800 gram. Second one is quantity of almonds given to her neighbor. So that is 1 kg 300 gram. Okay. Now we will add both of them. Now why are we adding both of them? We are adding both of them so that we come to know that how much quantity of almond she has given to both her maid and neighbor. ये हम इसलिए ऐड कर रहे हैं ताकि ये जान पाएँ कि उसने अपनी मेड और अपनी नेबर को मिलाकर कितना क्वांटिटी आलमंड दे दिया है, कितना वो अब तक दे चुकी है मेड और नेबर को. सो द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट वुड बी क्वांटिटी ऑफ almonds given to her maid and neighbor. कितना आलमंड्स उसने मेड और नेबर को अभी तक दे दिया. Add both of them. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 here, 1 carry. So that comes to 2 kg 100 gram. तो उसने 2 kg 100 ग्राम आलमंड मेड और नेबर को दे दिया. अब उसके पास कितने बच गए? This is the question now. How much almonds are left with Ria? So you know how much almond Ria bought. She bought 5 kg of almonds. From 5 kg, subtract 2 kg 100 gram. You will come to know how much almond is left with Ria. So you will write here now. Total quantity of almonds Ria bought. So total quantity of almond that Ria bought was how much? It was 5 kg. And how much she has given to her maid and neighbor? You write it down now again. Quantity of almonds given to her maid and neighbor. So that is 2 kg 100 gram. Now what is the third statement? That will be obviously come from the question itself. How much almonds left with Riya? So the third statement would be quantity of almonds left with Riya. Now subtract this and get the answer. See, here you are having 100 grams, but on the top you are having nothing here. So here you will write 000 grams. Okay, so that you can do the subtraction easily. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Can we subtract 1 from 0? No. So he will borrow from here 1. So that comes to 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So here it is 900 gram. Here, as you have already borrowed 1, here 4 kg is left. So from 4 you will subtract 2. यहाँ पर 5 में से ऑलरेडी आपने 1 बोरो कर लिया है, तो यहाँ कितने बच गए? 4 बच गए. So from 4 you will minus 2, that is 2 only, and the answer is 2 kg 900 grams. So with this, your 6 number problem sum has been solved as we have been doing. You will do it now here again. You will hold a scale and you will draw lines to indicate that your 6 number problem sum has got completed. Okay, now come to question number 7. What does question number 7 say? Shilu wants to prepare a cold drink for herself. She pours 200 ml of cold water, 75 ml of rose syrup, and 300 ml of milk in a glass. What is the quantity of cold drink Shilu has made? शीलू अपने लिए एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक बनाना चाहती है. उसने 200 मिलीलीटर कोल्ड वाटर डाला एक ग्लास में, 75 ml रोज़ सिरप डाला, मतलब रोज़ का फ्लेवर वाला सिरप डाला, और 300 ml मिल्क डाल दिया एक ग्लास में. पोर मतलब डालना. शी पोर्ड this much quantity of cold water, this much quantity of rose syrup, and this much quantity of milk in a glass. What you have to find out is the total quantity of cold drink that Shilu has made. When she has poured these 3 different liquids in the glass, what is the total quantity of cold drink that she has made? This you have to find out. So this is very simple. उसने 3 चीज़ मिलाकर कोल्ड ड्रिंक बनाया है. तीनों के अलग अलग क्वांटिटी हैं. तीनों को ऐड कर देना है और पता चल जाएगा कि उसकी कोल्ड ड्रिंक की क्वांटिटी कितनी है. ओके, नाउ बिफोर वी डू द सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, वी आर सपोज टू फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. सो वी विल राइट द क्वेश्चन हियर. Shilu wants to prepare a cold drink for herself. She pours 200 ml of cold water, 75 ml of rose syrup, and 300 ml of milk in a glass. What is the quantity of cold drink Silu has made? What is the quantity of cold drink Shilu has made? So we will first write the first statement, and that is quantity of cold water. This is 200 ml. Quantity of rose syrup 75 ml. Quantity of milk 300 ml. So what we have to find out? तीनों के क्वांटिटी हमने लिख दिए हैं. कोल्ड वाटर का क्वांटिटी कितना उसने ग्लास में डाला 200 ml. रोज सिरप कितने क्वांटिटी का डाला ग्लास में 75 ml. मिल्क कितने क्वांटिटी का डाला ग्लास में 300 ml. So what is the quantity of cold drink Silu has made? So this will be the final statement. Therefore, the total quantity of cold drink Shilu has made, we will add all three of them. Put a plus sign here and add three of them. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5 here. So that comes to 575 ml. So the total quantity of cold drink that Shilu has made is 575 ml. Okay. Now with this we have completed our sum number 7 also. Now the two problem sums, both the problem sums are a bit lengthy, especially 6-1 is a bit lengthy. 7-1 is not that lengthy, but still you have to write at 4 statements and the question. So your homework today, your classwork today is, you are going to do question number 6 and 7 in your classwork copy, and you will do it in the same way as I have taught. First you will write down the question, then you will write down all the statements. After you complete writing the statement, you will draw lines to indicate that your problem sum has got completed. Okay? And then you can go to the WhatsApp group for seeing your homework. Thank you.